Greetings, superconscious beings of oneness. Isha back, August 26th, 2025. And in this video, I want to do a quick meditation with you. It's called the AHHH meditation, AHHH. The sound AHHH is present in every single facet of creation. The sound is there before your soul emerged. The sound is there in every single molecule you are made of, in every atom, in all of your DNA, in every single cell and movement of everything you are as a material existent being. The sum total of consciousness, the first primordial sound of creation, and the quantum frequency sound to create anything you want. It is literally the sound of creation. Is AHHH. So think of anything you wish to manifest right now. Hold it in your third eye. You can see it in that eye, your mind's eye. That is your third eye. The light is already there. Like when you're asleep and you're dreaming, your eyes are closed, you're in complete darkness, yet you're experiencing the light. You're seeing things. The light is within you. It's your mind's eye. It's your third eye, where you can bring light from the light and visualize, emotionalize, and manifest anything you wish. So think of anything in your life right now that you want to manifest. A new relationship, a new job. You want to get out of a job. You want to manifest money. You want to manifest a house, a boat, a child. You want to manifest whatever you want to manifest. A cup of coffee. Somebody to message you. Think of it right now and keep it in your third eye and use this sound with me. The sound AHHH is like a microwave. It will cook your thought. It will cook your idea, your vision, and bring it into three-dimensional form.